Hello, let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. Number 52, n quiz 2. So this is totally the same as n quiz 1. Yeah, if you didn't check my n quiz 1 video, I suggest you check that because my code is totally based on that. Yeah. So I'm not going to explain the algorithm, I'm not going to explain the descriptions because totally it's the same. Only difference is here, we are going to return an integer n. So n is the number of distinct solutions to the n quiz puzzle. So for this one, we are not going to check the board. We are not going to return a board. We're just going to return how many different combinations. For example, this one, we know it, there are 2. And if n equals to 1, definitely it will be 1. And n is also from 1 to 9. Yeah. Now let me explain my solution from n quiz 1 and then change a little bit and make it works for n quiz 2. So this is my code for n quiz 1. As we can see, it's totally the same. Yeah. So from here, this is the board. If inside the board, it means all combinations of the board. If we here return the result, if we return a length result, the length of the result, it should also work. But here I'm not going to use this way because it should be simpler than that. We don't need to initialize the board and we don't need to check the board, yeah, to put it capital Q or recover it to the dot because we don't need to do that. Yeah. And the question also didn't give us what the board looks like. So from that, we can make it simpler to change it to the above code. Yeah. Now let me explain the code. So from here, it's also the same. I'm going to define 3 sets. The column set, positive diagonal set, negative diagonal set. And also here, I will give a global variable self.result because this is what I'm going to return. I'm going to define a backtracking function and it's also backtracks for rows. So it will start from row 0 and when it goes to row n, I will use the self.res result plus 1 and then I have a return. So this is only the difference because I'm not going to put the board inside my result. I'm going to plus 1 because I'm going to find how many different combinations. And also for the column, for C in reads n, if C is not in column set, R plus C not in positive diagonal set, and R minus C not in the negative diagonal set, so I can put everything inside the set. After that, I don't need to put a Q, capital Q inside my board because I don't need to do that. So I just deleted that code. I just use backtracking. After backtracking, if I didn't find, yeah, if I didn't, it didn't go to N, and if the C didn't meet this condition, not in all those sets, it means I will go backtracking. So for the backtracking, it's also the same. I just needed to remove. From the column set, I need to remove this C. From the positive diagonal set, I need to remove R plus C. Negative diagonal set, I need to remove R minus C. So it's totally the same as the n quiz 1. Now let me submit it to check if it really works. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty fast and it really works. So for this kind of a Leetcode problem, I think, yeah, we are giving 2 questions. Actually, it's totally the same. We can just change a little bit from n quiz 1 to n quiz 2 to solve the problem. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. Bye.